Welcome to our Tarot Tips series, How to Read Tarot Cards. Be sure to watch the whole video for understanding tarot and learning what it takes. Stay to the end for the collective tarot card reading.
This series is an introduction to our comprehensive tarot training courses.
Make sure that you catch all the videos in this series. We've got a link down below for you to get all the juicy tarot goodness.
Whatever level you are, from beginner to advanced, we always bring something valuable to help you grow and improve your practice.
And if you happen to just be getting to know us,
I'm Heather.
And I'm David.
From ZenRoseGarden.com,
home of Zen Ed Academy.
As you guys come on, let us know where you are watching from. Represent your hometown.
Boom. And if you have any questions as we go, be sure to drop them in the comments.
So here's the deal. Every reader picks up their first deck, and it is at first just kind of this total mystery, right? You have to check that little white book every time you pull a card. It's
LWB.
Okay. Yes, it's okay. That's how you learn, right? Sometimes we forget, though. I want you to think about this. Sometimes we forget. I mean, we don't remember how long it took us to learn English as a baby or whatever you first learned from your parents as your first language. That was hard. It was probably the first hardest thing you ever did.
I don't know, walking was probably pretty hard too. The point is, you've really got to give yourself credit for learning that language. I want you to go ahead and give yourself a pat on the back right now. Big, huge, congratulations. You learned a language. Here's a little secret though. Tarot is easier than English or whatever language you learned first. But all the nuances of the tarot language can take a lifetime to learn, partly because those nuances change with every reading.
Right? Think about it like this. It's like music. Once you learn all the key signatures and the notes, there is no limit to the combinations, right? You know the language of music, but you never stop learning about how it goes together.
That's right. This is very much like the tarot. At first, you speak the language like a tourist, always checking your book, right? Then you start to get the basics. Then you evolve and you start getting dialects. Then before you know it, you've got a collection of 500 decks and they have a room all their own, but they're not paying rent.
Can neither confirm nor deny. So here's our point. Have patience. Keep learning the language, even if it is just a card a day or a reversal meaning here and there. It takes time to build the actual neural pathways for that language in the brain, because you are learning a language, just like when you learned your native language as a baby.
Now it's time for the collective card reading. As we go through this card reading, I want you to let us know if it resonates with you in the comments as we go.
So I'm going to fan my cards out, and I'm going to pull out the one that I see peeking out at me. And what I've got is the Ace of Wands.
Ace of Wands. It's a Wands time.
It's really, I've pulled Wands. I think this is the third video in a row that I've pulled the Wands. And this is the Ace of Wands. So what this is telling me is that I think right now at this period of time as a collective, we are all just dying to get out there and experience our desire, because it's a theme. It's coming up 3 videos in a row. So the Ace of Wands is a new beginning into our desire, exploring our desire, but it is a passionate beginning. We have so much energy. We're ready to break free and to break out of our stagnation and just really create something. So I think the beginning of our journey into desire is about to begin again as a collective, and especially because at the time we're recording this, the vaccinations for COVID are starting to come out, and people are seeing a little bit. People are seeing a little bit of hope. So that's meaning like, wow, I can go out and explore my desires in the world again. There's hope on the horizon.
Exactly, and it's the precipice of getting out there and getting back into nature, back into the world in a very passionate way. Because we all want to get out of the freaking house right now, right?
So yeah, I think it's okay. This card is telling us start to get excited about that desire, because that might take you through this last stretch of time we have to get back to a normal life that we were used, right?
Normal
life. So it's okay. Start exploring those desires where you are, so that when life becomes kind of like a normal flow again, you're ready to go. Think about your ideas. cherish and nurture those ideas and get the fire started. So the Ace of Wands is about getting excited about your creative ideas and your inspiration.
And getting excited about getting back to life again.
Yes, let's do that.
And becoming the artist of your own life. Don't forget to catch all the videos in this series using the link below to get a better understanding of tarot basics.
In the next episode, we're going to talk about what is stopping you from learning to read tarot.
If you've gotten something valuable today and you want more, you might be interested in our metaphysical school and community, C.Ht Academy, where you can level up your skills with our comprehensive tarot training as well as advanced mediumship training, psychic development, self-growth, from wherever you are in the world. Just click the link in the description and see if it resonates for you. Since you guys have watched this far, be sure to check out the goodies we got for you. There's a link in the description below if you like this video.
Hit the like button.
Hit it hard. If you want to see more videos like this,
Be sure to subscribe.
And be sure to spank that naughty bell to turn notifications on
So you're the first to know
when we drop a new video.
or go live.
And we know that time is a valuable and precious resource, and the fact that you guys have chosen to spend that with us, we honor and appreciate that, but most importantly, that you were here to level up your life, your mind, and your skills and take them to a whole new level. We honor and appreciate that even more. If you want more, be sure to binge on some of our other videos. It might be over here. I don't know where they are. I'm sure you can figure it out. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.
See you in the next video.
See you in the next video.